Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We are starting off the new year with some new styles of videos. These are going to be more short, concise videos. I'm not necessarily going to be doing an entire brand review or even every single product that I have of this kind, but I'm really going to be showcasing some of the products that I love the most, telling you why, maybe why not, maybe I don't like them. But in this one, I'm going to tell you why I like the products, and I'm just going to do a simple review and comparison of these two products. So let's get into it. This isn't going to be super long. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and we'll get right into it. So the very first video is going to be a focus on hand creams. It is January 2026. It's crazy to say. It's cold out, it's dry. Hand creams are our best friend. And the two that I have are two of my absolute favorites. One that's very new to me. This is the Remedy, what is it called? Hand and Cuticle Repairing Butter Cream, a mouthful. And then we have the Prequel Hand Wrap. I've had this one for years now. Gone through, I think, like 3 bottles of it. So this is a tried and true favorite. But I'm gonna be comparing them because they're quite different and they kind of serve their own purpose, and I really wanted to get this out for you versus having to wait for some like long extended video. So the first one, and I should say they're both by dermatologists. We have Prequel, which is Dr. Samantha Ellis, and then we have Remedy, which is Dr. Manib Shah. And they are both on YouTube, Instagram, they're all over. And I love both of their brands so much. They're probably two of my favorites, and that is for good reason. So let's just go over the basics real quickly. I would say with the hand wrap, this is for protection and really what's called shielding, which is different than almost any other hand cream I've seen, whereas the Remedy one is for repair and anti-aging. This one is $14 and this one is $18. You're getting 3.4 fluid ounces with the Prequel and 2.25 with the Remedy. So that means that the Prequel is about $4.11 per ounce and the Remedy is $8. $8 is not a lot, but at the same time, Prequel is just one of the cheapest and most affordable, but also with some of the best formulas out there. So that's the price difference. As far as star ingredients for both of these, for the Remedy, we have 0.1% encapsulated retinol. There's also shea butter in this, 20% actually, and ceramides. And then for the Prequel, there is a copolymer, which is actually the star ingredient. That is a film former that keeps your hands kind of enveloped in a little shield and, as they say, wrapped. As far as the texture, the Prequel is lightweight, it is non-greasy. I love it so much for that fact. And then for the Remedy, it is a rich butter cream, but it does melt into your skin and it is much thicker, but also very nourishing. I think the key differences for these two products is that you're not going to use them at the same time. I mean, you can use them at the same time, but they are kind of meant for different things. For the Prequel, this is meant for frequent hand washers, people whose skin just gets very dry. If you are experiencing lots of moisture loss in your hands, if you have eczema, this is what that one is for. And then with the Remedy, it's really more for your aging concerns, anti-aging, if you have dark spots, dry cuticles like the name would suggest, and then of course that deep hydration. So in summary, like I said, they serve different purposes and you can absolutely use both. You could use the Remedy first, moisturize your hands, let it sit for a little bit, and then put the Prequel on. I think that might be a little much. Instead, I would recommend the Prequel during the day. This is great for if you're washing your hands a lot, if you are using technology, computers, and you need to have your hands readily available and not covered in like a greasy layer of moisturizer. This would be perfect. And then the hand wrap is such a good cream for nighttime. That encapsulated retinol is going to sink into your skin. The shea butter and the ceramides are going to moisturize it deeply. So I would highly recommend using both. They are really affordable too, so it's not like you're breaking the bank if you buy both. I will kind of mention one last thing. With the Prequel packaging, it's pretty standard, nothing to it. This is what it looks like. And then with the Remedy, this packaging is unique. I've never seen anything like it. It's this very soft plastic. I've heard people say that this is hard to open. Maybe the very first time it was a little hard to open, but there is an indent here and you can see that you can just kind of put your finger in and open it. And then the other thing I've heard is that people have a hard time getting the product out. I've never experienced that, maybe because I live somewhere warm, but did you see how easily that just came out? So that's what it looks like. You know, a lot of people say that it's too hard because it is more of a rich buttercream to get out, but I've also heard that you can just twist this off, whoa, and then you can squeeze it out that way. And then lastly, I did of course want to show you what they look like on. So let's go. This is going to be the remedy, and I'm gonna put it on one hand. You can see how rich that is, thick, moisturizing. And then we're going to do the Prequel on this hand. And do you see the difference immediately in the texture? It's a silky, thinner texture. And when you are using the Prequel, you do have to use your body heat and rub until you go from this kind of silky, normal moisturizer feel to kind of, you're gonna have like a little bit of friction, and that is what's actually forming that film, and that's what you wanna feel. So you're gonna keep rubbing until you feel that. And it's not gonna take long, but you can't just put it on and then go. That's when you start to feel it kind of turns into like a little bit more of a matte, powdery feel to it. So that's what it looks like. And then you can see there's a little bit of a sheen on the remedy side. So that is it. These are my absolute 2 favorite hand creams. They save me every winter. Well, the remedy is new, so it hasn't saved me every winter, but the Prequel has definitely saved my hands over the winter. And these are my top suggestions for hand creams. They're both pretty travel friendly. I would say the remedy is way more travel friendly, and I've been waiting for Prequel to come out with a travel size, but both of them are deep loves of mine, and I hope you enjoyed this shorter, kind of quick, fast-paced video in the new year. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.